Maternal mortality in America is increasing. That is the number of women dying as a result of childbirth. Eyewitness News reporter Chris Nessman is live in Idaho Falls tonight. And Chris, what's causing this disturbing trend?
Todd, essentially it's older women and women who used to not be able to have kids are getting pregnant. As women age, their bodies aren't able to handle the stress of pregnancy as well as they used to. While medical technology has made it easier to have families later in life, it's not foolproof.
That they're more likely to have medical complications. So hypertension, diabetes, congenital heart disease, that sort of thing.
Idaho is following the national trend, with maternal deaths increasing from 2007 to 2010. While age is a primary reason for the increase, another reason could be the lack of affordable health care. Prenatal care can be expensive, especially for those who make too much money for Medicaid, but not enough to be able to afford insurance copayments.
And they're less likely to come in sooner, either for preconceptual counseling, or they're less likely to come in till later in their pregnancy until they get all of that sorted out. And by that time, it's just harder for us to take care of them.
Doctors emphasize there are programs out there to help folks who need a little extra assistance. Professionals who specialize in helping people get that assistance say a lot of resources can be found by calling 211.
The Public Health Department is also a good place to start. They will have a list of resources, and oftentimes they will have discounted or free services for women.
Even if you don't qualify for many of the programs, many local doctors' offices and hospitals provide discounts to direct payers and regularly make payment plans so people can afford the care they need. And now I did want to emphasize that while the maternal mortality rate is increasing nationwide as well as in the Gem State as a whole, here in East Idaho we're actually doing pretty good, and many local medical experts that I talked to said they're not seeing any increase at all. Reporting live in Idaho Falls, I'm Chris Nessman.
All right, Chris, thanks. So locally we are going against that trend. Now, compared to the rest of the nation, Idaho as a whole sits right in the middle of the pack. The state with the lowest rate of maternal deaths is Maine.